Okay, I'm gonna start filming over here. They're like all the same, but this place is huge. Over here. Is this one that's running? Oh no, it's that one. Oh yeah. Wait, no. Holy shit. Holy shit, that one is noisy. This sounds like shit. Sorry my swearing, but units I've ever came across. Oh, these Lennox are such crappy units. That sounds awful. These Lennoxes are like, you know what? What if these Lennoxes are like all Nordyne? Actually, all the Nordynes have scrolls. Oh, that sounds horrible. Yeah. That does not sound good at all. Yeah, that is definitely one of the noisiest air conditioners I've ever seen. Damn, that is loud. I thought it was this one, but no, it's that Lennox. You hear that? I guess Tecumseh doesn't make good compressors. Holy cow. Damn. That was one hell of a noisy unit. I can still hear it. Jesus. Oh, what the heck? This one was installed really badly. I can still hear it. What is this? Oh, this also has a Tecumseh. The heck? Yeah, I don't know what this is. So weird. I think I can still hear it. Yep. Oh, all these Lennoxes are like really crappy ones, it looks like. I'll have like a hack job or something. Oh wait, there are more air conditioners up there. I think some of them started up. Yeah, it's all the Lennoxes that have scrolls. Oh, here's a Goodman. Sounds like a Bristol or something. Maybe another Tecumseh. Oh, interesting. Yeah. I think, oh, this is one of the biggest carriers I've ever seen. Oh yeah, this had to replace this one. Yeah. Must have just replaced that one. So there's like a bunch more back there. But I think I'm gonna film these. Oh, one of them here is super noisy. Which one? Holy, oh yeah, this one is loud. Oh, but this one's Lennox Valley Sears. Yeah, this one is loud. Get to the data. And then there are these two here. And oh, this one sounds nice too. Blowing out cold air. 1989, I think. Alright, so my battery is blinking. And there are a bunch more air conditioners here, but I think I filmed enough. And I think I should go, so hope you enjoyed. That was Lennox Heaven. Yeah, over and out.